Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make your Instagram bio longer than 150 characters. First, open your Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Before you can add a longer bio, you need to switch your account to a business account. To do this, tap the three lines in the top right corner, then scroll down until you see Account Type and Tools, click on it, and then click on Switch to Professional Account. Tap Continue several times, then search for Business and tap Done. It can take up to 30 seconds to convert your account. So, wait for it to finish. Then fill out your business information or tap Don't use my contact info if you prefer. If prompted to connect to Facebook, you can skip this step. Now that your account is a business account, you can add a longer bio. Go back to your profile and tap Edit Profile. In the bio section, you can now type a longer bio. I'm just typing some text to demonstrate, but you can write as much as you want. Once you're done, tap the check mark to save your changes. And there you go. You now have a longer bio on your Instagram profile. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe with notifications. Thanks for watching and have a great day.